What if the secret to regaining strong erections, waking up with more energy, and feeling confident in your own skin again was hiding in two things sitting in your kitchen right now? One is thick, golden, and sweet, honey. The other is cheap, white, and hidden in almost every cupboard, baking soda. When you mix these two together the right way, you create a natural power drink that some men say restores energy, circulation, and even erection strength. Without pills, without shame, and without the side effects that make you feel worse. The truth is, after 60, your body's chemistry changes. Testosterone drops, blood flow slows, erections become weaker, and even masturbation feels like a struggle. But what if a simple drink could quietly help reset that? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share may change the way you look at your health, your penis, and your vitality forever. Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a natural remedy, maybe honey, garlic, ginger, or baking soda, to boost your energy or performance? Drop your experience in the comments below. And while you're here, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss another life-changing health insight made specifically for men over 60 who refuse to give up on their strength, erections, and confidence. Let me tell you about a man I once worked with. His name was Richard. Richard was 67 years old, a retired Navy mechanic, a proud, disciplined man. He had lived his life with strength and order, but when he walked into my office, his head was low. He said, "Doc, my body isn't mine anymore. I don't wake up with morning erections. I avoid intimacy with my wife because I'm ashamed. Even masturbation feels like a reminder that I'm broken." Now here's the thing. Richard believed the problem was just his age. He thought erections and stamina naturally fade, and the only option left was a pill. But that belief is a myth. Dr. Catherine Rotker, MD, a respected men's health specialist, often reminds her patients that while testosterone and blood flow decline with age, it's not an automatic death sentence for your penis or your intimacy. The body still has the machinery to create strong erections, but often it's being blocked by silent imbalances. In Richard's case, it wasn't that his penis couldn't work. It was that his body was swimming in acid buildup, poor circulation, and oxidative stress. See, years of processed food, stress, and alcohol had shifted his body's pH balance, inflamed his blood vessels, and cut off healthy nitric oxide flow, the very chemical that tells your penis to fill with blood. He was fighting an invisible battle inside his body. And until he understood the truth, that vitality isn't about age, but about chemistry and circulation, he was stuck. That's when the hidden solution came into focus. Not another pill, but a simple change that reset his system from the inside out. So what exactly is stealing your erections, your energy, and your confidence? It's something most men never think about. Silent acidity and inflammation inside your body. When your body is under constant stress, whether from poor diet, lack of movement, or even years of hidden shame, your blood vessels become inflamed. And when blood vessels are inflamed, they narrow. The result? Less nitric oxide, less testosterone activity, and weaker erections. Research from Harvard and the NIH has shown that oxidative stress, a buildup of free radicals and acidity, directly reduces penile blood flow. One study found that men with chronic oxidative stress had a 40% greater risk of erectile dysfunction compared to men with healthy vascular systems. And it's not just erections. High acidity in the body has been linked to fatigue, muscle weakness, prostate issues, and lower testosterone output. Here's the scary part. You may not feel it happening. There's no loud alarm bell when your blood vessels begin to harden or your testosterone production slows. Instead, you notice little things. You avoid mirrors. You stop reaching for your partner at night. You lose the drive to even touch yourself. That's why I call it the silent enemy. Because it robs you quietly year after year until one day you wake up feeling invisible. But here's the good news. Nature gave us simple tools found in honey and baking soda that can help neutralize this silent enemy and bring your body back into balance. Now let's talk about the surprising power of mixing baking soda with honey. Honey, especially raw honey, is packed with natural enzymes, antioxidants, and trace minerals. According to a study in the Journal of Food Science, honey contains compounds that boost nitric oxide production by up to 17%, which directly supports erections and blood vessel dilation. It's also been shown to stabilize blood sugar and fuel your body with natural energy, giving you more stamina not just in daily life, but also in the bedroom. On the other hand, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkalizer. It helps neutralize excess acidity in your body. In fact, research from the NIH has shown that sodium bicarbonate reduces oxidative stress and supports healthy pH balance in tissues, allowing better blood flow and oxygen delivery. When you combine the two, you get a natural power drink that supports circulation and nitric oxide, reduces hidden inflammation, fuels your body with fast, clean energy, restores an internal environment where testosterone and erections can thrive. Here's how you can make it. Take 1 glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, stir until fully dissolved, drink it once a day, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. This isn't about creating miracles overnight. It's about shifting your chemistry day by day, reducing the silent enemy, and giving your body the conditions it needs to rebuild strength, erections, and energy naturally. Here's what most men notice when they start this simple habit. Day 7. You feel lighter. Energy starts to return. Digestion improves and your body feels less sluggish. Day 14. Erections begin to come back. Morning wood is stronger, even masturbation feels more satisfying and less like a chore. Day 30. Confidence is restored, erections are firmer, stamina is higher, and intimacy feels natural again. You don't feel like a man in decline, you feel like yourself. Every man is different, but the key is consistency. This small drink creates a ripple effect that can transform how your body works over time. The most dangerous mistake men make is thinking that more is better. I've seen men double or triple the baking soda, hoping to speed up results. But too much baking soda can upset your stomach and throw off your electrolyte balance. The secret is consistency, not excess. Stick with a small daily dose and let your body adjust naturally. Another mistake is giving up after a week. Remember, your body has spent decades building up acidity and stress. It takes at least 30 days of steady effort to begin reversing it. Protect yourself by avoiding shortcuts, pills, and quick fixes. Your body needs balance, not extremes. Brother, I know how hard it is to feel like your best years are behind you, to look at your penis and wonder if it'll ever feel alive again, to miss the intimacy, the confidence, even the simple joy of self-pleasure without shame. But hear me, you are not broken. Your body still has everything it needs to give you energy, strength, and powerful erections. Sometimes it just needs the right push. Something as simple as mixing honey with baking soda can shift the chemistry inside you, calm the silent enemy, and reignite the man you thought you lost. So don't give up. Start small, be consistent, and remember, you're not alone in this journey. If this video gave you hope, hit like, share it with a friend who needs it, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell because I'll be sharing more science-backed natural solutions to help you reclaim your vitality without shame or pills. Your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting to be lived.